Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. So this is the launchpad I participated on. I click on launchpad. So I click on this. This is super start. I click on that. This is it. AUR, okay. This is the last one. And I want you to be part of this new one, okay. I want you to be part of this new one. So I will show you how I made $10 on this last launchpad, okay. I will show you how I made $10 and I will show you how to sell it. I will sell it immediately to show you. And I participated with this launchpad with just $4, okay, just $4. That's the amount that I used to pay on this. Let's just say that I used like $40 to participate on this launchpad. Do you know how much that I could have made now? Okay, but all the same, we are still learning. So can you see this new one? I want you to be part of this. I want you to be part of this one. So see what. So let me show you how you can sell it, assuming you want to sell yours. So what you need to do is just to click on this, okay. This is live withdrawal. You click on this, then you will see your own on this overview. So you click on this spot. So once you click on spots, the next thing you are going to do is just to click on this place, okay, or you search for AUR. This is it. You click on that. So let me sell it immediately. I click on this. You click on sell. This is marketplace trade. So I click on sell. So as you can see, this is AUR, so USDT. I'm selling this back to USDT. So that's this. I click on the percentage I want to sell. I want to sell all. I click on sell all. Then I'll come to this sell, okay. So this is it. As you can see, this is it. I'm selling it on limit order, okay, and the price is 0.0324. that's the price. So once I sold it, I will show you. So guys, we have sold the order. As you can see, we have 0.00052 here. That's AUR we have here. So that's once I tell you to follow me step by step. I have my reason of saying that because I have legit update that I keep giving you guys. The only thing that left is for you to grab it and do what I ask you to do. You will get exact results. I'm not a financial advisor, but what I do in my channel is whatever I see that is working, I'll show you. So let's go, let me show you, because I believe in practical. So you click on this place, can you see that? You click on open order, okay. So once you click there, you go to this place, the second one, order history. You click on order history. As you can see, this is sold and I sold it by limit, okay. I sold it by limit. So limit is when you will tell the market how much you want to sell your coin, okay. I sold it by limit. I'll still explain more about this trading, okay. So you click on this plate for you to see everything the way it is. Can you see this? Can you see this? So this is to tell you that what I'm showing you here is legit. So let me go back so that we can check whether the money have dropped in USDT wallet. So you click on this wallet here. So once you click on wallet, you search for USDT. See it here. This is USDT. 10.56 USDT has dropped with just $4 investment. And I just want to withdraw this just to show you, because if I leave this coin till 2 weeks to come, this coin will clock like $15 to $20, okay, because it keep increasing every day. So but I did it just to show you that whatever that I teach you here works. So what am I saying in the essence is that I want you to rush now, be part of this new launchpad, this new one. Okay, let me show you again. This is the new launchpad. Just once you come to SuperEx exchange, you just click on Super Start. Can you see that this still remain like 13 hours to go till tomorrow morning? So I will drop this update here so that you will rush now and do what I ask you to do. Register, fund your account, and wait for my signal tomorrow so that you can buy this coin. You can buy with $10, you can buy with $5, you can buy with even $4 according to the rules here. So what you need to do once you are here, read the rules, okay, so that you can understand how everything works here. You need to read the rules. So that's that. You read the rules and you can then participate on this airdrop. This website is legit, okay? So what I want you to do is to use the link in the description to join, or if you have joined already, you can then fund your account and get ready now. So that's that. So I will keep it here, I'll drop it here. So I want you to make money the way I'm making money here. So thank you for watching. See you at the top. Bye bye.